Accidentally cleared a notification on your iPhone? Don't worry. Here's how you can check what you missed. First, unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open your notification center. If the notification is still recent, you'll see it here. But if you already cleared it, don't panic, there are a few ways to check. Now, go to Settings, then tap Notifications. Scroll down and find the specific app you want to check the notification for. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. You can also adjust notification grouping, either set to automatic or by app. This helps keep all your alerts organized so they're easier to find next time. Next, open the app itself. Apps like Mail, Instagram, and many others keep a notification history inside the app. So even if you cleared the alert, you'll still see what you missed once you open it. Finally, go back to Settings greater than Notifications and consider turning on Notification Summary. This feature groups your non-urgent alerts and delivers them at specific times, so you don't miss anything important in the future. And that's it. While iPhone doesn't store fully deleted notifications, these steps will help you recover most of the alerts you accidentally cleared. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick iPhone tips.